as if I've just seen a little herd of wild boar, as if. That was amazing. The Forest of Dean is so good, wow. I don't know how loud the sea is on the camera, but we're at St Agnes. We're just near St Agnes. We're at Chapel Beach, and it is probably the most beautiful beach I have ever witnessed in the UK. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at those waves, massive rip curls on them, curling up. Beautiful light blue colour with the sun shining through them. All the ripples on the sand. Beautiful caves along the coast. It is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. I can't believe how beautiful it is. Just look at that. Took loads of really good photos today. I had a little bit off time from the camera. We went to a vegan bakery in St Agnes, which we had a fantastic, massive vegan Cornish pasty, so nice. And now we're parked up not far from the beach here, only a half-a-mile walk. Just enjoyed the walk, took loads of photos, just having a really nice relaxing evening. Stunning. One reason I love van life so much is that you get to make such awesome memories as this. Not yet. Good morning. So, we are now currently in the forest of Dean. Squirrel. Where's he gone? There, yes. We are now currently in the forest of Dean, and it is now Sunday. Yeah, it is now Sunday. We've been away for a full week, and we are about to head back up to Liverpool later on today. Forest of Dean is roughly about halfway in between where we were in Cornwall and Liverpool. We have to take a slight detour over the Severn, but how could you not come to the Forest of Dean? It is amazing. It is such a good forest. Oh, squirrel. How could you not come to the Forest of Dean? Just look at it. If you've watched a lot of my videos, you know I'm quite partial to a nice forest walk. Yana and Oscar are still asleep in the van. It's nice and early in the morning. Thought I'd just come out and have a nice quiet moment to myself. Might find a nice tree to just sit against for a while, have a little meditate. Meditation is something I've been into for the past 3 years, on and off, getting a dip in and out of it. It's something I always try and do when I've got a nice quiet moment. Really, you should do it once a day at least. But I'm here now in the Forest of Dean. I'm just going to find a nice quiet spot, and I'm just going to have a little moment to myself and enjoy it. Enjoy the sounds of the trees, and the animals, the wind. So relaxed right now. So meditation is actually pretty hard to do. I struggle with doing it, if I'm honest. A lot of thoughts always constantly come into your head all day long, thousands and thousands of thoughts. And the whole point of meditation is to try and have no thoughts. And that is the ultimate goal, to ultimately clear your head. But these thoughts, they'll just constantly come back in and come back in, without you even knowing. So what you have to do is just let them go, and then always come back to focusing on your breath. So what I do is feel the cold air coming in my nose and the warm air going out my nose, and then like start off nice deep breaths. On each breath out, you scan your body for any tension, and you relax your whole body, and then just focus on your breath for a while. Every time you find yourself wandering, just come back to the breath. Keep doing that, and you'll just get to this really nice state of relaxation. It just makes you feel really good, really good, especially when you're meditating in the Forest of Dean. So better get back up to the van, make some breakfast, see if the other two are awake yet. Have a little walk around the forest some more, and probably just head off back up to Liverpool. No way. As if I've just seen a little herd of wild boar, as if. That was amazing. The Forest of Dean is so good. Wow. I do have to say, yesterday we did have a moment driving down here where it was probably one of the scariest things I've ever done whilst driving. A whole load of wild deer jumped across the road. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I was like, okay, that must be all of them right now. And I'd slowed right down. I was only probably going about 20 something miles an hour, and as I'm driving, boom, one smacks right into the van, like pushes the wing mirror in, and I was like, no. And I had thought for a moment that I'd killed a deer. I was absolutely devastated on the verge of tears. Parked up, put the hazard lights on, and walked around, searched for where I'd drive, and looked on the other side of the road and stuff like that. It was gone, so I'm guessing it might have just got a little bit dazed and stuff and then ran back off again. But it was so frightening, like my heart was in my throat. Thankfully, hopefully, fingers crossed, the little deer is okay and I didn't kill it. Look at this van over here. Proper brought back some nostalgia for me. Ah, mate. Good old LDV convoy. I do miss that van a little bit, not gonna lie. Did have some character. I missed the way I built it, all stuff like that. I had some good memories in it. But I am so glad for my Sprinter. So I hope you've enjoyed watching our trip. We've had a really good time exploring Somerset and Cornwall and Dartmoor, and now the Forest of Dean. It's been a little frog. Little tiny frog. Yeah, it's been a really magical week. I saw many beautiful things. I know I didn't film Glastonbury on this trip, but I have got a Glastonbury video which you would really like. If you haven't already, please check that one out, and I hope it inspires you just to get off and take a trip in your own van, or even get a van of your own. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. And I will see you next time. Cheers.